I wonder that's so messed up. How bent that thing is. Me hammering on it probably didn't help any. I think that's one of those that would come out. Here's all the pieces cleaned up. Got the spring, got the clips. That bolt right there is bent and smashed up. It was so rusted in I had to use my 6-pound persuader to get it apart. And the threads seem pretty good. I gotta put it together here. See how it looks. And all the way down there. They're tripod legs. So let's put it together, see what it looks like. All I got's a 1/2-inch bolt. On here, I don't know if it'll show up or not, but the still has the hash marks and good straight edges on it. It's 4 3/4 inches wide here. This is just temporary. This 1/2-inch bolt. I ordered another 5/8 bolt with a square head and a new square nut. But it'll be later in the week, so I want to get it all together, just make sure it all works. Looks like a bad spot in the thread right there, but the rest of the threads look pretty good. I don't know what happened to that one spot. I've never really done much to these, so I don't know if axle grease or oil is better. I figure either one will cause goop to get in it, but I'm just going to try a little axle grease. Just because. It's down just a fraction up here, but that's probably because I got a 1/2-inch bolt. I think if I get a 5/8 inch bolt, it says how much play there is in that bolt down there. If I line it up, wow, that's really nice. It's a good tight fit. that way. It'd been good if I'd paid attention when I took it apart. Handle wasn't bent, I didn't even have to straighten it out or anything. I'm not sure about this piece, but I thought there might have been some type of a barrel that went inside this side of it. But I didn't see any pictures, so I don't know. Anyway, that's that. Okay, hey, well, that's the restore on the 4 3/4 inch. If you want to call it 5 inch, I'm not sure what you want to call it. It's stronger than my other little Vises. The other one I have is a Cleveland, and it's 4 1/4 inches. And this is just, even though it's only a 1/2 inch wider jaw, it seems a lot beefier overall than my other one. Kind of comparing, I'm looking back and forth, sorry. Anyway, thanks. Later on, I'll cut a big old chunk off that plate of steel I got outside and use it and a piece of pipe, and it'll make me a anvil stand for this guy. Y'all have a blessed day. Talk to you later. Bye.